Many students struggle with free radical substitution reaction of ethane. In today's video, I'm going to break it down to you in simple steps. We're going to use ethane as a case study in this video. And the halogen we're going to use is chlorine. So we're using chlorine. So the first stage of this free radical substitution is initiation. During initiation, the chlorine-chlorine bond is broken homolytically to form two chlorine radicals. And this reaction occurs in the presence of UV light in the sun. Now the next step is propagation. In this propagation step, the mechanism or the substitution reaction progresses in a type of chain reaction. So the chlorine radicals formed in the first step, initiation, we react with ethane. So we have CH3 plus a chlorine radical, which will give us CH2CH3 radical plus HCl. So whenever a radical reacts with a neutral molecule, it will pull out the hydrogen there. So you have an ethyl radical with HCl being produced. Now this ethyl radical, because we are in propagation step, radicals keep on reacting with neutral molecules and new radicals are formed. So this ethyl radical will react with chlorine molecule, and we have chloroethane plus chlorine radical. So the chlorine radical will now be regenerated in this step. Now in further propagation, the chloroethane formed reacts with a chlorine radical, to give us CH2CH2Cl radical plus HCl. So let me repeat what I said previously. When a chlorine radical reacts with an alkane molecule, it will pull out the hydrogen. So you have an alkyl radical with HCl being formed. Now in termination, two free radicals react to form a single molecule. So let's use from the radicals we have generated in propagation. So watch where the chlorine is attached to. The chlorine is attached to this carbon, okay, that has an unpaired electron. So we don't bound, the chlorine will not bound to this carbon here, no, it will bound to this carbon, this one here. Okay, another step, we also have two ethyl radicals reacting together to give us butane, CH3CH2CH2CH3. This is butane. I trust this video helps you to understand this topic more. For any question, comment below. See you in the next video.